Now, here they are here. This is the little one that we saved this morning, and as you can see, the difference in size is insane. He is very, very, very small. He's still quite weak. He keeps turtling, like he'd kind of roll over and he won't be able to get back up again. So he still needs help. I still need to look in on him every now and then to try and turn him back over and try and bring him back over to his mommy to try and get some milk. His temp seems to be okay, but because he's so skinny, I have to make sure he's very close to his mom at all times so that he stays warm. Because if you see like a big kitten like him, he's nice and big and I don't worry about these ones so much, but he is very, very thin and still very weak. But considering the state he was in this morning, I mean, he's doing fantastically. And mommy cleaned him up a little bit as best she could. But he is very small. He should not have survived. He's a beautiful little cat. So mommy is there, being a good mommy, giving him a shower. So yeah, I just thought I'd update you guys on the little boy. He's very cute, very tiny. So yeah. Hey Tommy. Hey Katie. Say hello to the camera. Okay. Well, that's it anyway. Toodaloo.